Alright guys, so today we're going to be at Penzer Bike Park in Langley, British Columbia, and we're going to be putting a Dirt Jump Freeride video together for you guys, and that's not going to happen, because when I got there, I snapped my axle. You can't ride like that, can you? Fuck! Anyways, so, today we're just going to be doing a bike check video. I know, not what you're expecting. But it's going to be something, and maybe I'll throw in a few clips if I can. But most importantly, we will be announcing the second Freeride giveaway coming for you guys at the end of the month. May 31st, we'll be giving away a pair of Chromag Contact pedals. So if you want to know how to win those, stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'll be announcing how to do so.
Alright, so this is my 2014 Specialized P-Slope. We got the Autumn Lab wheel set with hubs and wheels, the white spokes and red nipples. The bike has a built-in chain tensioner to make sure the wheel is always true. Kept it with the 50/50 mudguard. Stock rear shock because it was built for this bike, so it runs the best for this bike. I run my compression at full and my rebound usually at about 2/3 depending on what I'm riding. Got the scent cranks and the stock pedals. Running the stock seat. Once again, we're running the stock RockShox front forks because they were built for this bike and it runs the best. Matching Autumn Lab wheel set in the front. Of course, we got the extended cables on the XTR brakes. We got the front cable running through the top and the back brake cable wrapping all the way around the frame. Throw down some double bar spins, double tail whips. This bike is super light, comes in at 25 pounds. It is super flickable and spinnable. It is just an all-around incredible bike for park, street, and dirt jump.
So you want to know how to win those pedals. This is how. You have to be a subscriber. That's number 1. Number 2, like the video. Number 3, comment your thoughts on the video. Now we post 4 videos a month. Each video you do that for is an entry into the draw. So stay tuned and make sure at each video you do this, because each time it's an entry. The more entries, the more chances you have to win. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely wasn't what you were expecting. Wasn't what I was expecting. But it's what we got. So, I will see you guys next week. We'll be throwing down some real freeride. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.